Hi everybody, welcome to my garden. I'm Anne. Today I really want to talk about the idea of radical gardening. I think this is a concept that a lot of gardeners and garden designers have been incorporating into their gardens more and more over the years. It's something that I've been thinking about for kind of a long time. I've been gardening for many years. And I think that it's really important if you care about the environment, if you care about being sustainable in your garden and in your gardening practice. So one aspect that I've employed so-called radical gardening into my garden is thinking about planting native plants. I think this is something that everybody should do if you can, if you've got the space. Try to figure out how to do it. I mean, you're supporting native wildlife, pollinators, and plants that are more and more disappearing from our landscapes. Where I live in the upper Midwest, this all used to be kind of prairie and woodlands, and that is going away. There's only like 1% of the prairie that's even left anymore. And so I really felt that it was important to do something about that in the way that I can. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to give you a little quick tour of an area that we incorporated native plants and did a prairie planting. It's still evolving, still growing. It's about 5 years now since we planted it, and it's really been a great thing to watch. So welcome to our Prairie Boulevard, where we've planted different prairie native perennials, including flowering plants and grasses and lots of plants that the pollinators really like, bees and butterflies, as well as birds. We've had hummingbirds come to the boulevard as well. I have a mix of different things, including echinacea, coreopsis, baptisia, anise hyssop, numerous other things that I will have a list of items attached with this video that you can download for free. But as you can see, it's really lush. Right now we're in early July and things are just starting to bloom. A couple things have already passed, but we still have a lot of things yet to bloom, including bee balm, asters, other types of coneflowers, flowers in the daisy family, as well as prairie blazing star. There's so many things, I can't even name them all right now. But it's been a really wonderful experience, and I hope that this inspires you to give it a try in your yard or garden as well.